Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with Andy Macintosh. Andy is running for deputy mayor in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, Andy.
Thank you, Bradley. It's a pleasure.
So today I want to talk to you about working together. So in the past, town council has been seen as being uncooperative with one another. They seem to be butting heads. They publicly disagree with each other. If elected, what would you do differently, and how would you personally resolve these issues?
Well, Bradley, it's no secret this council is not gelled the way they should. There's very little cooperation between them. There's a lot of public fighting. This sort of thing, it's got to stop. You've got to show respect for each other. You've got to show respect for the taxpayers. And I think hopefully we get a good group in this year that get along. There's some good names on the ballot, new names, fresh names, people with good ideas. And I think this council will gel, for lack of a better word. We all get along now. We've actually agreed not to put election signs up till September. And I thought that was great. That's more harmony than we've seen in our council for the last 4 years. And we've all agreed, to hold off putting up election signs. So we are already starting that trend of getting along. And when a vote is taken in the council, if you lose, you move on. You may not agree with it, but that's life. The way I see it now, there's a little bit of bitterness when the vote's lost. Some votes are lost because they necessarily don't like the person that made the motion, and that is pure garbage and doesn't need to be in public office. I personally will not be acting that way, and I'm pretty sure the new people that get elected will also not be acting that way.
Fantastic. Well, and I appreciate you addressing this important issue. We want to make sure it's brought up to all people running in this election. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to see more of what Andy has to say, please do take a look at the links below, and see you next time.